A Guide to Fidelity Individual Stocks is a comprehensive overview of how to invest in individual stocks through Fidelity Investments. Start by understanding what individual stocks are, which represent ownership in a specific company. Fidelity is a well-established online brokerage firm that allows you to buy and sell individual stocks with ease. To get started, create a Fidelity account and fund it. This can be done online or through the Fidelity mobile app. Once your account is set up, navigate to the stock trading section and search for the stock you want to buy. You can search by the company name or the stock symbol. When buying individual stocks, consider your investment goals and risk tolerance. It is essential to evaluate the company's financial health, management team, industry trends, and competitive position. Look for stocks with a strong track record of growth and a competitive advantage in their industry. Fidelity offers various tools and resources to help you make informed investment decisions. These include real-time quotes, charts, and news. You can also set up a watch list to monitor your favorite stocks and receive alerts when there are changes in the market. To place a trade, enter the stock symbol. Select the number of shares you want to buy, and choose your order type. Fidelity offers market orders, limit orders, and stop-loss orders. Market orders execute immediately at the current market price, while limit orders execute at a specified price. Stop-loss orders help limit potential losses by automatically selling a stock when it falls to a certain price. Once you have placed your trade, monitor your portfolio regularly to ensure it remains aligned with your investment goals. Consider diversifying your portfolio by investing in a range of stocks across different industries and sectors. This can help reduce risk and increase potential returns. In addition to buying individual stocks, Fidelity also offers other investment products, such as mutual funds, exchange-traded funds, and options. These can provide additional diversification and income opportunities. Best practices for investing in individual stocks through Fidelity include starting with a solid understanding of the stock market and investing for the long term. Avoid emotional decision-making and stay informed about market trends and company performance. Regularly review and adjust your portfolio to ensure it remains aligned with your investment goals. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively invest in individual stocks through Fidelity and work towards achieving your long-term investment goals. Remember to always do your research, set clear goals, and stay disciplined in your investment approach.